IS probationer Pooja Khedkar is facing allegations of abusing her power and privileges during her training period in Maharashtra's Wasim district. It has been found that she submitted fake disability and caste certificates and she used two different names while applying for these certificates, further complicating the situation. Due to the seriousness of these allegations, the authorities have decided to take immediate action by recalling her to the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration (LBSNAA) in Mussoorie, where she is originally based for her training. This recall halts her current training activities in the Wasim district. IS officer Smita Sabharwal is facing backlash and scrutiny after her tweet regarding probationary IAS Pooja Khedkar. Smita tweeted, "As this debate is blowing up, with all due respect to the differently abled, does an airline hire a pilot with disability? Or would you trust a surgeon with a disability? The nature of AIS, IAS, IPS, IFOS is field work, long taxing hours, listening firsthand to people grievances, which requires physical fitness. Why does this premier service require this quota in the first place? Hashtag just asking." The tweet ignited an online debate, eliciting mixed reactions. One segment expressed significant outrage. The disability rights group Viklangula Hakkula Raksha Purata Samiti lodged a police complaint stating that her comments were disrespectful to the community, describing the IS officer's remark as distasteful and hurtful. Not only that, but a complaint was also filed against Sabharwal with the National Human Rights Commission (NHRC). The AP Viklangula Cooperative Finance Corporation stated that the NHRC has accepted its complaint against the bureaucrat. Despite the growing attention and allegations of misconduct against Khedkar, the IS officer continued to defend her comments. In her latest post on X, she urged disability rights activists to investigate why these quotas have not been implemented in the Indian Police Service or the Defence Forces, adding that the IS is no different. In response to the backlash, she tweeted, "See a lot of outrage on my timeline. I suppose addressing the elephant in the room gets you the reaction. Would request the rights activists to also examine why this quota has still not been implemented in the IPS, IFOS and certain sectors like defense. My limited point in the IS is no different. To live in an inclusive society is a dream that we all subscribe to. Insensitivity has no place in my mind. Jai Hind." She also added, "I am fundamentally aware of the needs of the job. The issue here is about the sustainability for a ground job. Also, I firmly believe services within the government such as desk think tank nature is well suited. Please don't jump to conclusions. Legal framework is for all over protection of the rights of equality. No debate there." Many renowned figures like disability right activist Dr. Satrendra Singh, Executive Director of the National Center for Promotion of Employment for Disabled People Arman Ali, and prominent lawyer Karuna Nandi have expressed their criticism towards Smita Sabharwal's tweet.